Okay, so before I start this chapter, I just want to ask you something. Have you ever forgotten something? Means I think we often forget so many things. Have you experienced? Yes, right? Okay, many times, right? What kind of things you usually forget? What are the things that you forget? Be quick. Okay, yes, Jevan, that's very true. Homework, password, right? Password. Yes, Shreya, correct. Homework. That's all. Just homework and pass. Okay, yes. Books. You forget books also, notebooks also, sometimes tests also. Okay. So there are, I think, quite a few things that you forget. And clothes also, Hardik. How can you forget clothes? Yes, pens, bottle. Like sometimes I go to some other room to get. Yes, Avni, that is a very common problem. We go to some other room to get something, and then there we forget, right? Yes. Okay, biscuits, paper, headphone. Yes, there are so many things that we forget, and the things are very common. Means we use those things daily. Okay, but still we forget. जेवन मोबाइल तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा बट आई थिंक मोबाइल तो यूजुअली we keep mobile very close to us. Yes, masks nowadays, right? We sometimes forget wearing masks. So, okay, so this chapter is actually related to this forgetfulness only. But in this chapter, there are so many things. There are pranks and then forgetfulness and someone just going crazy over something. So we are going to read this chapter, and the chapter is very interesting, humorous. Let's see what happens when you forget something. Okay, just imagine you forget these things, right? Normal means you forget your pen, paper, books, homework, anything. Have you ever forgotten one part of your life? One part of your life. Maybe you went for some trip or some other place, but you don't remember anything about that place or that trip, but others do. Ever means एक पूरी you can say 1 year आप भूल गए हो, 1 month भूल गए हुए हो, पूरा year something important happened, but you are not able to remember anything like that. Means not like that कि आप जब छोटे थे बिल्कुल. Okay, Punya. So this happened means you forgot 2017 vacation. Okay, Yashika, what about you? What did you forget? Means a proper part. I'm talking about a proper part, not even a slightest, you can say, memory. You remember anything about that particular event or particular part? No, Hardik, not childhood. वो तो सिर्फ तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को ही पता होगा, उसके अलावा नहीं पता होता ना. Not childhood. जब से you can remember the things from that part of time. No, 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 Yashika, not that type. Okay, you forgot your camp memory. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, Shreya. Maybe you were quite young that time. Okay, then. So you have experienced this, but have you experienced it like this? Means you have forgotten, but everybody else remember that trip, that camp, or whatever you have forgotten, and they are sharing it with you. Okay, हमने उस time पे ये किया था. We did this, and we had that much fun. Yes, ये वो. Okay, so how do you feel that time, Bani and Shreya? What do you feel that time when everybody else they remember everything and you don't? Sad. Okay, just sad. So it means I can say that you don't have good memory. You forget things easily. Okay, you are excluded from the conversation. Okay, Shreya. So let's start with this chapter, and maybe if you have experienced such kind of thing, so you can connect with the narrator, connect with the person more. Okay. So this is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Can anyone tell me the meaning of lapse? What is the meaning of this title? Anyone? Meaning of this title? I have given you so many hints. Means, okay, forget memories, okay, forgetting memories, okay. It's, yes, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory means Bipin Chaudhary is the person, is the, you can say, narrator, hero, right? So we are going to read about his loss of memory, right? We are going to read about his loss of memory, not permanently, but for short period of time. Okay, lapse means when we fail to remember anything, but for short period of time. Maybe you can say we forget one part of our life or something like that. Failure, yes, temporary failure, right? So we are going to read about Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Chaudhary is the narrator. Not exactly the narrator, but he is the hero. He is the hero of this story. The story revolves around him. And then let's see what happens. This story is written by Satyajit Ray, and he was very famous, and he was the one who won Oscar award also. Okay, so he was director, editor, script writer, and so many things, right? He was very talented author. He used to write essays also, and he also won the famous Oscar. Okay, so let's read the story. And as Satyajit Ray, he was from Kolkata. So the story is the background of story is that Kolkata only. Okay, let's read page number 60. So, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? This we have already discussed. Yes. Do you have a good memory? So I think definitely you will say yes, we have a very good memory. And has your memory ever played tricks on you? Every time, right? When we forget our important things, we sometimes we forget an event also, means event in the sense हम जाना भूल जाते हैं, right? So yes, memory always play various tricks, right? And then, okay, forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. Tight spot means difficult situation. Keep writing the meanings also, okay? Tight spot means difficult situation. Yes, forgetfulness always puts you in a tight spot. How? If you forget your that homework, you forget to submit your homework, definitely now you are going to be in a very difficult situation. Teacher से डांट पड़ेगी, then घर जाके parents से डांट पड़ेगी, number कम लगेंगे, right? So this way, okay, during exams, when you forget the answer of any question, that time also you are in a tight spot, okay, in a difficult situation. So yes, forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Yes, if I forget a good part of my life, definitely this will drive me crazy. मैं थोड़ा सोचने लगूंगी what happened to me, why I'm not able to remember anything, if I was there, if I was included in that part, so what happened? अगर हम just remember, if we are not able to the time when we are not able to get the lyrics of a song, कैसा लगता है? Can you connect? When we are not able to get the lyrics, मतलब दिमाग में ट्यून है, but we are not able to get the lyrics of that song, so how we feel? Okay, this नहीं 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 this होना चाहिए, and पूरा दिन वो दिमाग में रहता है. So same way, just imagine you forget a part of your life, very important part of your life, you are not able to remember anything. So obviously थोड़ा हो जाएगा, okay, what happened, अब तो बीमार हो गए, अब तो ये हो गया, वो हो गया. अगेन इफ यू सर्च गूगल तो फिर तो आप मर ही गए, राइट? Nowadays so we can search from Google also, na? So let's continue. Then what happened? In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot remember his stay at Ranchi. So he forgot one very important part, means he went to Ranchi, but he was not able to remember anything. He has never been to Ranchi. He insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? So yes, he was quite sure that he had never been to Ranchi, but the witnesses were there and they were insisting that he had been to Ranchi. So let's read about this interesting person, Bipin Chaudhary, and what happened and how whether he was able to recollect anything or not. Page number 60. Every Monday, on his back way from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. So Kalicharan's, you can say it is the name of a store, right? And bookstore. And Bipin Chaudhary, from this, I think, let's read crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. So from this part, I think we can conclude Bipin Chaudhary, he was fond of reading, right? So throughout the week, you can say he used to read minimum 5 books, and every type of book, not only a particular genre, but every type of book, crime stories, ghost stories, thriller stories, everything, right? So he lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. So he lived alone, means nobody was with him, and he was not a good mixer. What do you understand by this line? That he was not a good mixer. Have you seen a mixer? And why are they calling him mixer? What do you think? Yes, correct. So I thought कि maybe आपको हो कि जो वहां पे होता है in our kitchens. So yes, not friendly. You can, okay, introvert type. Yes, didn't like to. Yes, doesn't mix with others. Correct. So yes, he was not a good mixer. Lived alone. Had few friends. Right. So he didn't like spending time in idle chat. The very important part that you like, and that too very much. कितना पसंद करते हो? Unnecessary talk, right? Unnecessary conversation. This happened, that happened. Okay, you know, this girl is like this, that boy is like that. So we actually, why should I say you? I also. So we actually love spending time in idle chat. We usually get involved in that unnecessary conversation, right? But Bipin Chaudhary, he was not like that. Okay, उसे बिल्कुल फालतू की बातें करना, useless talk उसे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी. So today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Close quarters means from short distance. Close quarters means from short distance. Close quarters means from short distance. So what happened? When he was at Kalicharan, means when he was collecting the books that he wanted to read throughout the week, so he had a feeling that someone was observing him very closely, right? So he turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. So when he turned, so he saw a round-faced, very humble-looking man. And when when Bipin Chaudhary saw that man broke into a smile. Broke into a smile means his smile toot gayi. What is the meaning of broke into a smile? Be quick. Meaning of broke into a, yes. Simple. He started smiling. Right. He started smiling. Yes. So when Bipin Chaudhary, he just turned and he saw a man. The man was round faced and he was he looked humble. So when Bipin Chaudhary saw him, that strange that man, he started smiling. So in this first paragraph, it was all about Bipin Chaudhary's, you can say, qualities. If the question comes that you have to write the character sketch of Bipin Chaudhary, there are so many things that you can write. Okay. So next, I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to Woodrow Falls. So what happened? Now the story is going to start. The man said that I don't think you recognize me. So Bipin, maybe from the expressions, he noticed everything from the expressions. So Bipin Babu, definitely, he was confused and he said, have we met before? So the man, other man, that stranger, he was confused, he was surprised. So he said that, how can you forget me that I arranged? He gave evidence that we met every day. Why they met every day? Because he arranged a car for him so that he could go to Woodrow Falls. Next, in Ranchi, in 1958, in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. Now what happened? Bipin Babu, now he was um, maybe confused, surprised, or maybe yes, actually he was a very confident man. So when the man was saying this, that in 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal, the man was trying to introduce himself so that Bipin Babu could remember him. Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. So that time Bipin Babu realized that the man was making mistake. उसे गलती लग रही है. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" So now what happened, Bipin Babu, when the man said that in Ranchi and in 1958, so Bipin Babu said, he was now confident. He said that he had never been to Ranchi. वो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं है. Yes, he had planned, but never made it. Plan काफी बार किया, but he was not able to, you can say, go to and enjoy that place, Ranchi. So he smiled, Bipin Babu smiled, and he said that, "You even know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? So the man was confused, and he said that in these are all expressions that this raising eyebrow, bit his tongue, this shows surprise. These expressions show surprise, you can say confusion also. So he said that, yes, definitely I know you. You are Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making a mistake? One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." So he said that, "मुझे जानते हो, still you are making mistake." He said, "Okay, one often does. Mistakes भी हो जाती हैं." So he said that, "I have never been to Ranchi." The man now laughed aloud. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Woodrow and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine." So now the man started giving more, you can say, evidences. He was trying that Bipin Chaudhary should recall everything. So he said that, "What are you saying? How can you forget this?" And he said that you are saying you have never been to Ranchi, but you had a fall in Woodrow. You cut your right knee, and then I brought iodine for you. Means he was giving very minute details about Bipin Chaudhary and his Ranchi trip. Right? He was particular about saying that his right knee only, not any knee. उसने ये नहीं कहा कि आपकी किसी नी पे चोट लगी थी. He was saying that right knee. Okay, and then he named the place where he had a fall. "I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhut the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything?" Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. So again, one more, you can say, very minute information that somebody he knew was also there. Dinesh Mukherjee, he named that person also. Means वो ऐसे ही हवा में बातें नहीं कर रहा था. He had so many evidences. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. So again, very minute that yes, you didn't like hotel food, so that is why you stayed in a bungalow and you said that you would like to have food cooked by bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Again, he was giving details. So many details. Then, which month in 58? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. So Bipin Babu, after the man gave so many evidences, Bipin Babu was still not convinced. He was very much sure that he had never been to Ranchi. So he said that, okay, which month and which year you are talking about? The man said 1958 and October month. So he said that definitely no, because that time in 1958, I was with my friend in Kanpur at some puja. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening, I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died. Insane. Insane means he was not mentally well, mentally stable, right? Which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. So now these are very 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 intimate details. हम अपनी family के बारे में तो हर किसी से share नहीं करते ना, और definitely not with the person whom we don't even remember, right? So और जिससे हम एक आधी बारी मिले हो या something someone like that. So just imagine that the person he gave this much information, that very personal information. He said he knew about that he had no children. He also knew that he had lost his wife 10 years ago and his brother was insane. So when Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. The man was completely surprised because he was not able to get why Bipin Chaudhary was not able to remember anything after the man had given so many evidences, right? So I hope it is clear till here. And now I want you to answer the questions. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Why was he surprised? Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Just raise your hand so that, okay, he didn't believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory, okay? Yes, because he can't remember anything after giving so many hints about Ranchi trip. Yes. Okay, Yashika, be quick.
Yes, ma'am. The man stared at Babu in disbelief because after giving so many evidence, he was not able to remember any Ranchi memory.
Yes, correct. Because he was not able, means Bipin Chaudhary was not able to remember anything after the man gave so many evidences, so many incidents, talked about so many incidents, but still Bipin Babu was not able to recollect or remember anything. Correct, Anmol? Because he didn't remember anything about man. Yes, because he didn't remember anything about the man and Ranchi trip. Correct, Bhavika? Because he could not believe that how could a person forget a trip to a special place. Avni, correct. Mehak? Was not able to remember his trip to Ranchi even when the man had given him so many details. Correct, Mehak? So yes, those who have given answers, your answers are correct. Param, correct answer. Akshima, your answer is correct. So because he wasn't able to understand why Bipin Babu couldn't remember his trip, right? Yashika, that was some topic and they were discussing over this topic only. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October 58? Yes. Where was he? Yes, he said that he had spent puja in 58 with friend in Kanpur. Correct. He went in October 58 to spend in puja with his friend in Kanpur. Yes, he was there in Kanpur for puja. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. Last, mention any three, or you can mention more also, that things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. First, you have to mention any three. In your notebook, you can mention more than three. Yes, Bani?
Yes, sir. The three things that Parimal knew about Bipin Babu was he knew his family, that there was no children in his family and his wife was dead. The second thing was his right knee was cut, and the third thing was that he did not like to eat the hotel food.
Okay. There are actually so many things. First, he knew very personal, intimate things about Bipin Babu. You can include these things also, and there are three things already. First is about that he had no children. Second, that his wife, he had lost his wife 10 years ago. And then his only brother was insane and had died because of that problem only. And then these three things, then you can add that Bipin Chaudhary had a cut on his right knee, and then his Ranchi trip, he remembered everything about his Ranchi trip. He knew the man Dinesh Mukherjee also. Yes, he took Bipin to Woodruff Falls. He had a fall there. Yes, so you can write many things, but don't write in points 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay. First, second, third, like this in a paragraph. Okay, so you have to mention, you can mention three or more. It depends. And you have to write these questions in your fair notebook. Got it? Is it okay? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Anyone, any doubt? No?